Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to focus on eyeshadow. You might be wondering what on earth is she doing today? And I just want to teach you guys how to create a more natural everyday eyeshadow makeup, which is this one, your eyeshadows, or you can learn how to create a more glam or special occasion eyeshadow. Whichever one you want to learn, you want to watch this video. And out that concealer just like this. So after I apply that concealer, you want to go ahead and choose 3 brushes. Now these brushes, they all have a different purpose. So I have one that's a fluffy brush, this one is my blending brush, and this one is my shading brush. So I'm going to show you guys how to use each one. Now my concealer is already on, so I would take my fluffy brush and take a palette, whatever palette. In this video I'll be using Revolution. I wanted to use something that was affordable. You want to look at your palette and you always want to use the color that's closest to your skin tone. So for me, that would be this one right here. So I'm going to take it, dust off the excess, and apply it on the lid. This is literally going to set that concealer. You notice how it starts to look just like my skin. Use a cotton round so I can take off the color that I just placed on there. Then I'm going to go in with another color. This one I'm going to use a orangey tone because it's going to complement my skin tone. You want to take your skin tone or your undertone into consideration. You notice I'm applying this color right here, right here. This is where I'm applying it. When you get to the corner, just use circular motions to come down to where the eye is right here, just like this. This a little bit darker orange just to give me a little bit more transition, and I'm gonna go right in the crease area with this color right here, and I'm gonna go right here, and right at the outer V is where I'm stopping with this color right here. You notice how the colors just got darker as I come to the crease, and the crease area is where you're going to have your transition shade. I'm taking the same brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to work on the edges of that color just because I don't want my eyeshadow to look harsh. Now for your shader brush, you can use this really gold one, or you can use this color here, or you can use this color, whatever you want to go for. For me, because it's going to be work friendly, let's go with this color right here, just because we're going to be at work today. And you're going to apply this right on the lid. You're going to push it up to where the crease is, just like this, just like that. And this color is called Unicorn. You see why it's so important to use a shader brush when you are applying the lid color. It really picks that color up so well. It's e.l.f. All right, taking again your brush, go back with the orange, and then just blend out where the line meets with the orange. Just like that. You're just basically going to do the same thing with the other one. Blend out. I'm going to take the lighter shade, and I'm going to have to look down because I can't really see what I'm doing in that. Yes. So never forget the under eye area of the eye so it looks balanced. So I'm going to go ahead and take the orange tone, the darker one, and I'm going to smoke out Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes and do some finishing touches on this part of my face so you guys can see how everything comes together. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the end result of a natural, everyday makeup look for work, for something professional, whatever. It just looks so pretty, and you know, lashes make a difference. You can see I'm wearing lashes and you can barely tell I have anything on because, of course, like I said, professional makeup look. It's just making you look polished. Now on this side, I'm going to show you guys how to go from professional workplace to extra glam on this side. Let's do it. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you don't miss out on any other videos that I share. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.